Mark Ainley from GC Realty Development. One of the requirements in the property management agreement that we signed is that GC Realty Development becomes an additional insured on your building or property insurance policy. Now, right away, you might be thinking, well, why should I cover GC Realty if they mess up? And that's not the case. So, GC Realty does have workers' comp, we have liability, we have E&O professional coverage. So we are covered to the max in exceeding any of the state requirements. So in the case of property related incidences, maybe it's a trip and fall, or maybe it's a fire, our coverages won't extend to those type of property related incidents. Now, as an additional insured on your policy, that is something that we are able to get your insurance company to extend coverage to us as a property manager. Now, in the management agreement, there's an indemnification clause. I always struggle with that one. And that clause does say that any property-related issues, legal, that would fall on you as the owner. So if we were not additional insured and we had to incur additional legal expenses, those ultimately could become yours. So as an additional insured on your policy, we could wrap everything under your policy, and your policy will cover everything right from the get-go. Now, in this short journey you'll make in getting this compliant, you'll hear the terms additional insured and additional interest. Now, we are looking to be additional insured because additional interest does not extend the coverage like we just talked about a few minutes ago. Additional interest will only really put us on notice if your policy cancels, if it lapses, or something changes in the policy altogether. So your mortgage company might want to be additional interest. We're looking to be additional insured. Now, some insurance carriers do not additionally insure property managers. Some will not put in writing on the certificate of insurance, but some of them do have something written in the actual policy. So if right away your insurance carrier says we do not add property managers as additional insured, then ask the question, do you have extended coverage within the policy for my property manager? And sometimes that requires them to review the policy, because usually those policies are like 70 or 80 pages. But that would be the first step. Then if the policy doesn't extend coverage, then the next step is ultimately you will have to switch insurance companies. And I know that could be a pain sometimes, but we can help facilitate that. Sometimes we get quotes as fast as same day, 24 hours usually. And we can help kind of get that going. And oftentimes we end up saving people money in that process as well too. So if you have any questions, my name is Mark Ainley. Reach out anytime and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.